friend of me is REALME C25s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and select sound and vibration. Sorry, misclick. Then click on the sweater next to vibrate on ring. This way you can enable all disable vibrations via incoming calls. Now tap on sound mode and select vibrate if you wish to mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. After that you need to scroll down and click on more sounds and haptics. Over here you can switch on or off vibrate on touch feature by clicking on the sweater over here. You can also go back and click on the sweater next to reduce notification feedback on full screen to switch on or off this vibration option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!